So I bought this watt meter, ammeter off of eBay for 12 bucks. Looks like this on for sale from this guy. And it looks like this in real life. The model number is visible here. And it runs off of it says 180 to 260 volt, 50 or 60 hertz. I'm running off of US AC. So I took an old power cord and cut the end off and plugged it in there. It came with a coil which you put on the load of on the load line of your circuit. I took this power strip, took it apart, took out the circuit breaker, soldered in a wire in place of the circuit breaker, and then put the coil on the line, and then I just plugged the ammeter into the power strip itself. I also got this cheap hot air gun here. If I turn it on, it starts up and tells you you're using that much energy. And if you turn on the heat gun, it shows how much juice you're using. Put it on low. Pretty awesome little device for 12 bucks. Don't know how long it'll last, but I am going to use it in my kiln controller, I think, to show how much current energy the kiln is using.